So now that you've done the example rhythm, rhythm number 1, we are now going to go to rhythm line number 2, which is in 3/4. So you should be able to tell me by now how many beats you think would be in each measure if you watched the previous videos, okay? So let's just go ahead and see if we can clap this one together, and if you still feel a little rusty, we'll pick out the measures that I think you should work on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. So there's a lot in there that I think can be a bit tricky. Specifically, the third measure and fourth measure, which are exactly the same, we've seen before, okay, but could still throw you off. So listen and count while I clap and count. The third measure and fourth measure. Ready? And 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then you have the next two measures, which are even trickier. So just listen and count while I clap and count. Ready? And 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. So the counting in that measure, in the 6th and 7th measure, would be 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. See, you can say that with me. Ready? And 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. Let's clap that now, and while we say it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. Now let's go back and add the two measures before that. Ready? So this should now be starting on the third measure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. Okay, good. Now, if you're still feeling a bit confused, see if you can go back and watch the video again so you get extra practice with this line. Let's see if we can clap the whole thing from the beginning of line number 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you know the last step is to then play on an open string. So let's see if we can do that together. And again, if you don't feel as comfortable, just clap and count while I play. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. So now that we've gone over those 3 lines together, I challenge you to try to do the next line by yourself, and in our lessons, we can then play for each other and see how we did. Okay? Happy practicing!